Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Let's start eating.
Yeah. Remember when she told you she was about the Benjamins? She fell in lust with your rims on your big body bends. Girl, you gave it up so easy, you ain't even fooling him. If you did it then you probably do it again.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today, for joining us today. Today we have another feast.
Banger.
Another feast.
Banger.
We have oxtail that my husband prepared it. Guys, I do know how to cook, okay?
Very good cook.
Thank you. My husband prepared this meal. And before we dig in, I do want to show you my outfit of the day.
Chocolate milk. I like 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 chocolate milk.
Black girls, where you at? Slim waist, ass fat.
Hey guys, I hope you liked my outfit of the day. We are ready to dig in. Without further ado, we're going to dig in, and as usual, we are going to show you a video of how my husband prepared the oxtail. Okay?
Ready, set, go. Damn, first lady, yo. You get more than me, you know.
Whatever. You always say that.
Don't do that, please.
Man, now I know how you felt when you said makes you want to smack the person who made it.
And now I slap you. You know some pepper, you know? And now I slap you, okay? Trust me, I won't slap you. And you know, we love gravy, so we brought some extra gravy.
To pour. Matter of fact,
pour some right now.
Where?
Or on the rice. When we get over the rice, go around. You know it.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Wow.
Yes. Nothing like oxtail gravy.
Oxtail Wednesday.
Oxtail Wednesday. Most people, a lot of Jamaican people, when they go to this restaurant, Jamaican restaurant, they order like fried fish. They put oxtail gravy on the rice.
What's my favorite dish?
Oxtail.
Oh, you know it. I was waiting.
I don't have my earrings in.
All right. You good?
Oh,
You good?
let me drink some water. So I don't get the hiccups.
Wow.
Oh wow, yes. And we have plantains again. It was so good last night with our meal.
I had to remake
With our
it.
fried fish. We had to make it again. Make it again.
Makes you want to slap your owner, right? Nah, slap me doing no.
There's something about oxtail with plantains or white rice.
Oh.
Now, typically on a Sunday in a Caribbean household or a Jamaican household, when we make oxtail, I make it with rice and peas. But you do make it with white rice also, you know. But we ain't flat making no damn peas right now.
Can't do it right now. Start up the things, huh?
Quick.
Quick.
Quick oxtail, and that's that.
I'm not talking to you, okay? I gotta enjoy my favorite food right here.
Okay, let's eat some food first a little bit,
Please
because
eat.
we are hungry.
Please eat.
Okay.
Please do eat.
It fell right off the bone,
I mean, it's good.
but it fell off the bone.
But what?
But it's not softy.
It ain't soft. Not. You know why? Because Richie made it.
That's right. Listen,
My wife, she loved my oxtail, but I love her oxtail.
Listen, don't come to our house when we make big oxtail dinner
And think you won't get none.
and don't
Can't share.
And don't eat all the meat off the bone. You man?
What we done, we're gonna show them how the bone supposed to look. You know what I'm saying?
If you don't eat oxtail like this, you need to stop it.
Real.
You need to stop it.
One if you're white, man. You try the pan already? Good, right? One coming, one done them, you know? That's what I'm asking you.
You saw me eat two already.
No, watch me eat.
Oh my gosh.
Coming on one done them, you not getting on, you see me? See the steam? Right off the pot. You know?
My husband eats hot sauce on everything.
Got to.
I like my pepper to be in the food. The one time I like pepper on my food after it's been cooked is something like a fried chicken.
Yeah? Yeah, you don't like pepper, you drink that.
Because I can't. I feel like I'm not tasting the food. I feel like I'm just tasting the pepper. The pepper sauce.
Okay.
And then we have butter beans in there as well. We have a full Sunday meal here. Big Sunday dinner dish.
Sunday dinner during the week. Oh gosh. It's a good time now.
For what?
Show them how we prepared it.
Oh,
Almost
he's right.
forget. See, we get busy eating. You see what I'm
Busy
talking
eating. Alright guys, check out the video on how my husband prepared this delicious oxtail, and we'll be back. Okay honey, so what you got going on right now?
Oxtail Wednesday for your channel.
Big oxtail, expensive oxtail?
Expensive oxtail I go for your channel right now. We can name it today. So you know right now, I'm cleaning it. I just wash it with some vinegar. You know what I'm saying? So I just wash it off with some vinegar. Right? Wash it with some vinegar. Come with me over here. You know, get the seasoning. I'm working with today, you know, the seasoning.
Okay, so the first seasoning that he has, or sauce, it's a sauce, browning.
Browning, yeah. Browning.
And this is what we use. They do have, a different kind of browning, but Grace browning honestly is the best. It coats the oxtail really good and gives it a nice flavor. And then we just use some salt. And then my husband puts a little bit of Old Bay in there. He puts some black pepper. He puts his seasoned salt. He puts adobo and his favorite ingredient to use, Everglades.
Yep. So now, again, season it to your liking. You know what I'm saying? Oxtail. Then I put a lot of seasoning on it. That's that. That one is done.
And then also, this is different than the fish that we had yesterday. This is oxtail. This is beef, right? Is it right? So it's gonna take just a little bit more seasoning to really penetrate the meat. And this oxtail is going to take about a good 3 hours to cook. So you want to make sure you have enough seasoning that can withstand 3 hours. You know, you don't want to, and then you have to add water. So you have oxtail, you season it, and then you have to add water. So if you don't season it good enough to begin with, when you add the water, it's going to dilute it, and then, you understand? Yeah.
Good explanation.
Thank you.
See, now today I'm putting some salt. I'm not gonna put a lot.
Not going to put a lot. And then also, my husband, Richie, you add onions, green pepper, and tomato if you have it. But whatever you have, and thyme. We have thyme in the house, we have onions, we have tomato. I think we finished the green pepper, but that's okay. You don't have to have,
You don't have to put that if you don't want it.
Exactly. Whatever is in your fridge, whatever kind of stuff is in your fridge, you throw it in there. If you have onions but no tomato, then just put the onions. It's okay. All right, guys. So what he's doing now is he's rubbing the seasoning in the meat.
And this right here, I could taste it with my finger and taste how much seasoning I got in there.
Yes.
That's not chicken.
It's not chicken, yes.
All right?
A lot of Caribbean people do that as well. They just taste it because it's just seasoning. Decent.
Yeah.
And this is our kitchen. This is our food. So nobody come say, oh, this and that. It's our kitchen. All right?
And we are damn it.
It's going in our belly.
All right. That's good. Action. Now I'm just putting it, I'm not frying it, I'm just browning it a little bit, you know? I'm just throwing it in there. We're browning it. Not frying it, guys, we're browning it. Tastes good. Look, smell good already. I'm going to start cooking up yet.
And the pot that we're using is called a Dutch pot. You can buy this at Walmart, at Sam's. You can buy this pretty much anywhere that they sell, you know, kitchen appliances. In Jamaica, we do have a pot similar to this, but it's silver. Follow
the water and the gravy. You know, this is gonna be my first set of water.
Yes. So whatever is left in the container, in this bowl, you do not want to throw that out. You add water to it because everything in there is seasoning, it's flavor. So if you throw that out, you're just wasting all the good flavor. And this is the amount of water that you want to start off with. You don't want a lot of water because what's going to happen is the oxtail is going to get cooked and then you're going to have all this excess water that you don't need, and then it's going to make the oxtail too softy. It's just
a little tip of butter. Then just put it, let it cook.
And it's so funny because I cook oxtail completely different than my husband, but I love my husband's oxtail and my husband loves my oxtail.
Exactly.
So it's
Vice
weird.
versa.
Vice versa. All right, guys, we are back. Family, we are back, and we hope you liked the video of how my husband makes oxtail.
Wow. Stop look on my side, no, cause you know it's active in the share, you know. Yeah. Don't look on my side, okay?
You hear that?
Got me a sun kiss today, you know. Pineapple.
Pineapple flavor, baby.
Pineapple. Don't look at my side, okay?
You hear that?
Take a little sip, you know.
Ooh, the bone is so soft.
Don't say that, cause it look like you want to slap me.
And we didn't pressure it.
Here, brush.
We did not pressure it.
Pressure
We made
cooking is for like when they want to get it done fast. It's for done on the stove.
I don't like pressure cooking it. I like for it to
Cook down. Just right.
for it to simmer. Who got the keys to the bimmer? Who am I? Simmer.
You ain't talking.
I see.
Wait, now my favorite dish. I gotta take it. So don't think, family, after I come over here and the first time they cook oxtail on me, I'm hiding it. You know? I love oxtail.
It's his favorite dish.
Favorite.
What's my favorite dish, sugar?
You're not no favorite dish because you're damn pork.
No. What's my favorite dish? I know you know it.
Everything I cook and eat. Fried fish.
That's one.
Chicken. Fried chicken.
No.
What?
You know my favorite dish, Richard?
Me. Steamed fish.
No. Oh my goodness.
You don't have a favorite dish.
Okay.
Well, I don't know that.
You do know it.
Pork. I'm gonna eat pork.
You need a slap. That's what you need.
You eat everything I cook, so you don't have a favorite dish. Mm. Push man away, look like you want to take out some of mine, you know. I gotta watch her today, though. I gotta watch you today. I gotta watch your family, cause oxtail, I told you I don't share. Trust me. All right. Good. Look nice. Look how it come off.
You didn't give him none.
Come on now.
Give him a little piece, man.
Come
Sure.
on. Come on, first it's
Me
oxtail.
not-
I
me
just
not
told
share.
you. I told you I don't share oxtail. I don't share oxtail, family. Sorry, but can't share it.
All we keep on saying is But you know what? When we're around a dinner table, when we eating, that's all we say when we eating. Every second.
Same thing. Getting the real deal. Only thing I can't get up. Cause I usually get up more than 10 times.
Yeah.
I can't sit still and eat.
Hold on. There's something on it?
It
Was
ain't
it?
up. Sorry.
Oh, it wasn't shaking before.
Cause I know we have oxtail today. That's
That
why.
I said the oxtail heavy.
Bad
Oh,
man.
excuse me, guys.
Oxtail bad.
Some
Wow. I'm
Okay.
taking my time today to eat this and enjoy it and suck off the bone. Yeah. Yes, man. What? So you're going on the boat?
And
You
that
have more
means
gravy?
if I have
done?
more? No, I have more gravy.
That's my gravy, man. Come on, get all the gravy I stitch. You want more? I'm not done the rest of it. Come on, you want a stitch of gravy, man. What happened?
Alright, so how you still the camera like this?
Looking like where the hell you going? Like you want to run out the camera? Wow.
We was gonna make curry chicken today.
Once I say oxtail, you change your mind. She love when I make oxtail. She hooked now. Wow. Yeah. Oh no, it's soft too, you know? Soft one.
And you would think that he marinated it like the night before. He didn't. He did it this morning.
As you will see in the video. See anybody, it seemed like he was sitting down forever, right? That's a season to our liking.
And oxtail bone is tough enough. So for you to cook it and
Cause this is the real oxtail.
fake oxtail.
And a bravo oxtail is real oxtail family. I like how you're enjoying it over there. Good.
I always enjoy the oxtail.
You hear that one there?
And you still try to sneak it out.
No, man.
So I'm trying to be proper on the teeth, on the camera.
I try to keep it in, man, but it still was loud. Echo.
Stop trying to be stoosh on the camera. Wow. This is how it is when we're eating on the table.
No.
This is how it is. My plate looks like I didn't even touch it, and he's almost done.
Tell us I'm not talking that much, man.
You know how much food I ate?
You ate a lot.
But it doesn't look like it.
She ate a lot.
But I'm a girl. So when I get full, I get full. Can't. One thing you don't want to do is keep on eating when you're full. That's the worst thing.
That's true.
Once you feel full, you say, okay, I'm done.
Not me. I told you I'm taking my time today.
I see.
Enjoy my oxtail.
I see, because honestly, that would have been gone already. But then also, yeah, that would have been gone.
Long time.
What I was gonna say was, when we're eating, he gets up like 5 times. I don't know why he does it. It's something that he does. I can think of every single thing. I could put a napkin. I could put juice. I could put the hot sauce that I know he's gonna use. Everything. Make sure he has ice in his juice that he likes. Everything. And he still gets up. He still finds a reason to get up. He will use the hot sauce I gave him, even though that's the hot sauce he uses all the time. But for some reason, he'll get back up and find another hot sauce. Or he'll get up and get butter to put it on the rice.
I'll chat my business. I'll chat my business.
He just has to get up.
Tell you all my business. See what I'm talking about? Take my time. See this? Nice. Take a bite. You can take a bite of that one. Come back here.
The plantain.
Plantain was not enough.
It was good. Nice and sweet. I'm getting full. You got one piece of oxtail left and some rice.
What are we making tomorrow? What do you feel like?
Tomorrow, Thursday? You know something I know?
Wow.
I don't know. But usually when we plan what we're going to make,
we don't make it.
We don't. We don't make it. So whatever our stomachs feel like eating.
Get all the juice. No meat supposed to be on the bone. The bus?
My no bus not run.
Bus not run.
Excuse me. My bone? Let me show you my bone. This how you do oxtail bone.
Let me show you how with your bone.
That's how you do oxtail bone. You see that?
Bone bash you do.
Fix this light real quick. My husband's like, do what you gotta do.
Okay, what you gonna do?
Oh shit. My husband was like,
I don't care what you wanna do. But I think my oxtail. Come on. What are you doing? You show the people that outfit of the day already. What are you doing? Way too long one.
Like a forest.
One plait.
You know, I braided his beard before.
Yeah,
Like
long.
cornrowed. I cornrowed his beard from here all the way around, and it was like this, cornrowed. That's how long his beard is.
Long one. Like Santa Claus.
You could definitely be Santa Claus for real. All you need is a... What do you think about... I know it's far, but this corona with the... I hope when it comes time for Christmas and Thanksgiving and stuff. Can you imagine if this happened during the holidays? It's horrible.
Ain't we in hurricane season now?
Yep, we're in hurricane season. We live in Florida, so we're in a hurricane
Corona
season.
thing still here?
Yeah, so we're gonna be... Florida is gonna be hit with a double whammy. Because back to back, corona and then hurricane season. You're sad. It's your last piece.
I know. This one I don't like. When the
The
food done.
ending,
Yeah, when the food done.
It make you sad. I can see in your face.
I don't like that part. But man, it was so worth it today,
It's
though.
worth it, yes. Yes. Damn.
I like that.
Oh, this is a bone. You don't understand.
That's all she wrote, First Lady.
It's so good.
It was worth every bit of it, every time.
Listen, if you guys follow the recipe and then you add whatever else you want to add to it, but if you follow the recipe, it will taste delicious. You know, you can add more pepper, less pepper, you know, more adobo, less adobo, but just add those seasonings and make sure you really use your hands and
Get it
in there. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, guys, we are full. Well,
Yeah.
I'm full. I don't know about him.
I got some more around here.
I hope you guys liked the video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Once again, it means a lot to us every time we see that someone has subscribed to our video or someone has watched our video. That means that you guys like what we're doing.
True.
And we'll keep on doing it for you. So, I know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and I appreciate you taking the time to watch us. Okay? You guys have a great day, and we will see you tomorrow
With the next banger.
with our next one. Bye!
Bye! You love the full edition, though.
Yeah. Remember when she told you she was about the Benjamins? She fell in lust with your rims on your big body Benz.